I'm going to read this. There's no price tag yet for Jamaica's preparation for the deadly novel coronavirus. But Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says that based on the history in other countries, technocrats have been modeling the extent to which the government will need to allocate medical and other resources should an outbreak hit Jamaica. The technocrats will be part of talks today when the National Disaster Committee, headed by the Prime Minister, they will meet to assess Jamaica's preparation and approve the country's response plan. Now, in the past few days, there's been increasing anxiety since it was discovered in the Caribbean countries of St. Martin, St. Bart's, and the Dominican Republic. At the same time, the number of cases in the United States has now increased to close to 200, including 9 deaths, with Washington, California, and Florida among the states that have reported its emergence.
Yeah.
What should Jamaicans expect should the virus reach the island? The health minister said the plan is being refined, but noted that there could be restrictions on public gatherings. The army will also be called to help in the response.
Yeah, it's particularly, I want to remind everyone, it's particularly the seniors, children are particularly vulnerable. The person who died in California was actually, they tested positive after returning from a cruise to Mexico last month, an elderly adult, and had underlying health conditions. So please, I don't know how many times I'm going to say please. I still see people walking around, coughing openly everywhere. They keep do this in the right is
The elbow.
in the elbow. Show, Mr. Director, please. I just want to make sure I say them see what me talk about. Right here. Cough there. If you greet people nowadays, you know, if you touch them, if you see me and say, hey, me know say me at just.
Yeah, a couple of years ago, Toots from Toots and the Maytals came on the show and he said to me, well, that was a couple of years ago, and he said he now has a Wi-Fi shake.
Wow.
So I said, okay, so we don't touch fists, we just go like that, but you don't touch. So,
Paul Beal from a long time wouldn't shake hands.
Right, and Toots did that like a couple of years ago when he came and says a Wi-Fi shake. I'm just going to say him, man, but you don't touch.
So just be more conscious. No, it's not that people are trying to. I must be conscious of people. So if someone's comfortable with it, that's fine. If someone says I'm not, that's fine too. But prevention, wash the hands.
And did you see? I think it was in China that they're now hitting the foot.
Yes.
They touch feet as opposed to touching hands.
Wash the hands.
All right. After decades of contribution to the Jamaica Labour Party and the country, veteran politician, trade unionist, and Speaker of the House of Representatives, Burnham Charles, Sr., will be relinquishing the gavel within weeks, bringing the curtain down at a near lifetime in representational politics. A reliable source told us that Charles has signaled that he might not stay on as a member of Parliament before the start of the budget debate. And with his impending departure, Parliamentary Secretary Robert Morgan is expected to be the front runner for the seat when it becomes vacant. He emerged victorious in Burnham Charles Jr. emerged victorious in a by-election face-off with independent candidate Mr. Derek Lambert for the Clarendon Southeastern seat. That was on Monday. And he told the Gleaner he was looking forward to spending even a short period with his father in Parliament. So we have husband and wife, and we have father and son, the Phillips.
Yes.
And now we Charles, and of course we have Mr. and Mrs. Vaz and Mr. and Mrs. Holness in Parliament. So. All right, I can live with that.
Man, a distinguished career man, local government, public utilities, transport, labor, social security. That's a big up Burnham Charles.
You're kind of too young to retire, sir, so find something to do, please, sir. But well done, done.
Yes, and thank you for your years of service.
And we wish you all the very best if you decide to retire. But you're too young, sir. You're too young. Go run 2 laps and come again. Last one.
People with iPhones could get US $25 from Apple after the company agreed to pay up US $500 million to settle claims over intentionally slowing down older phones to preserve older batteries. Do you believe this? Wow. Lawyers representing iPhone consumers and Apple agreed to a deal stemming from Apple's 2017 admission that it was slowing down phone performance in older models to avoid unexpected shutdowns related to battery fatigue. Users of iPhones who were named in the class action suit, if you were not, you're not getting this money, will get up to US $3,500
There you go.
each. The rest of the settlement money will be distributed to owners of iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and SE models who meet eligibility requirements related to the operating system.
You have to be in the United States of
Well,
A
you
to
must
get
file
this.
the claim to get the award.
Yeah, but you have to be in the States to do it.
No, but them say if too many people file the $25 go and shrink. Just saying.
But I suspect
Which is a neat way of saying-
everybody is going to.
Which is a neat way of saying, yeah, man, I'll not come because it quite enough
By the
to
time when the reach is about $3.